baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today to share with you guys 2 more DIYs that I'm going to make. One's going to be a centerpiece, and the other one's going to be like a little piggy bank, as they call it. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Okay, we have this brown wheelbarrow here that I got from Dollarama, and we have some flower bling wrap here. I have the silver bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And I have these little bling things here. I got them from a friend, which I think they're super cute. So I'll be using some of that. And we have some blue glitter. We have the Mod Podge. And we have some blue paint that I found at Walmart. This is really nice. I like the color. It's like a turquoise blue like. And I got this piggy bank from Dollar Tree, which is so super cute. And we have our glass pieces that you can get from Amazon. And I got these flowers here. And we have our E6000 and our scissors and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright everyone, we're going to have our little piggy bank here, which is so super cute. Take off the back. And we're going to take our mirrored sheets with our E6000 and just bling out the back of our container. And now we're going to take our bling wrap and we're just going to bling out our container going all the way around. Our piggy bank going all the way around. All the money that came and changed it all up. But now ain't nothing gonna come and change all love. Cause now it's a different love. I'ma love it better love, I'ma love it better, yeah. Now that I got you beside me, you beside me, girl, I got you beside me, love you better now. Baby, let's celebrate now. Beside me, And here's the finished look, you guys. My blinged out piggy bank. Yeah, it's still called a piggy bank. It may not be shaped like a a pig, sorry, anymore. But it's still the same concept. We call it a piggy bank. Yeah, I love how it turned out all blinked out. It says, could give up shopping, but I'm not a quitter. Hey. So, I like it how it's blinged out, and I'm going to be saving my dollars in it to go shopping. Hey, yes, I am. I think it looks very nice. And here's our wagon all spray painted with the blue and dry. Doesn't the blue look really nice, you guys? So now I'm going to take some silver glitter along with some Mod Podge and add the silver glitter going all the way around our wheelbarrow. Choosing material things over you. Come here, young girl, please, please. I'm a new, baby, don't worry, nobody's tempting me unless it's you now. I'll pick you up, I gotta see you now. And now that the glitter is dry, we're just gonna take this silver bling and go right around the top of our wheelbarrow and bling it out. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through it, hurricane. When I had you, I was like, okay, I need you beside me. Girl, I need you beside me. I need you beside me. Now we're going to take our flowers and use the Mod Podge, the silver glitter and the blue glitter, and just and brighten up our flowers a bit.
When I had you, I was okay. I was okay. Even though we go out, girl, I would wait for you like all day. Now I got a much different frame of mind. If you need advice, girl, don't take this, take mine. I'll admit, all the money that came in changed it all up. But now,
And now we're just going to use some green foam and arrange our flowers within our wheelbarrow for our centerpiece.
I'ma love it better now, I'ma love it better, yeah. Now that I got you beside me, you beside me, girl, I got you beside me.
And here's the finished look. I think our wheelbarrow turned out very nice, all blinged out. It makes a lovely centerpiece. Nice and fresh for summer. I think it looks very nice.
All my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. And now see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane.
I love how the glitter looks within the flowers. The blue glitter and the silver glitter. Sorry. And I love this paint from Walmart. It's very nice. It's a new color that they have a whole bunch of new pastel colors in. And I just fell in love with this blue when I saw it. So I picked it up and I'm glad I did because it looks very nice on my centerpiece. And I'm just going to share with you guys the centerpiece by itself. The wheelbarrow part. Take out the flowers. And there you go. Doesn't it look lovely, you guys? I think the wheelbarrow looks lovely all blinged out by itself. You know, it doesn't need the flowers. It's just an accent piece all on its own. And I think it looks very nice. What do you think? Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIYs that I had to do for today. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, press that like button. Leave me a comment below, tell me what you think of my two DIYs, my blinged out piggy bank, and this lovely centerpiece that I have here. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.
And now see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. Crazy. When I had you, I was like, okay.